already guys what is going on in this video. I'm gonna cover the 1.5 goblet squat, okay? And this can be done for dumbbell squat, for barbell squat, for a bunch of different squats, but I'm gonna cover the goblet squat in this video, okay? So what you're gonna do is grab it like a goblet, right? So elbows pointing straight down. Before you do that, core is tight, squeeze both sides of your butt. So if I'm gonna punch you right here, get your core tight, straight from the front view first. Make sure your elbows are pointing straight down, okay? So no out to the side or no hunching, okay? So no hunching like that. Chest up tall, but don't overarch. One big thing I see is when people hold it like a goblet, they're like, here, keep your body one straight line. Take a video of yourself. Keep your body one straight line. From there, what you're going to do is descend down. So hips back first, squat down, push the knees out, stop at the bottom, come up halfway controlled, all the way back down, all the way back up. All right, one more time. So you're going to push your hips back, push the knees out, no knees in, push the knees out, get into your squat, halfway up, all the way down, back up, okay? The biggest thing, guys, is here, keep it controlled, okay? So we don't want just swinging up and down because that puts unnecessary pressure on your low back, okay? So your core remains tight, descend back, squat down, hold it for a second, halfway, down, all the way back up. All right, guys, 1.5 goblet squat, thanks.